Squad, this your girl Shaquana coming to you loud, live, and in color. This is another eating video, but this is just a little snack that I'm going to have, and it's a pig foot. It's a pickled pig foot. Now my family are country, so growing up I ate these as a little girl. And if any of y'all from the country know what pickled pig feet look like, this is pickled pig feet. Okay, I got me some water, and again I got me a green apple soda from Publix. So let's get started. I should have had all of this ready, huh? But it's all good. I'm gonna have my water and my soda. So what y'all doing today? For those of y'all that got iPhones, did y'all update your iOS to 11? I did. I mean, you see some differences. I'm still, going through it, trying to see what is what. But so far it's alright. With every update, I hope that you can customize like you can with the Android. With every update, I pray. But apparently, you can't. So, I'm still debating if I'm going to go over to the Note 8. I miss my Android, cause with my Android I could assign different songs to different people in my contacts. But with iPhone you can't do that, so I miss doing that. I miss being able to use my music on my phone to assign to different things. Like I had a different song for when I got an email. I had a song for when I was on Facebook. I had a different song. I don't think I had that for Twitter. But my Facebook and my email, yeah. And if I want to sign, like I'm gonna say Whitney Houston, My Love Is Your Love. If I want to assign that to, I'm gonna say Kim or Megan or Drew. I could do that. But with the iPhone, you can't do that. And that's what I miss. About the Droid phone. So everything's on hold whether or not I want to go back to my drawer. I'm thinking, cause I just miss my drawer, and I just might go back. I tried to hang in there, you know, with the iPhone, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to hang in there. And I'm with T-Mobile, so I'm on Jump on Demand. For those of you that know about T-Mobile, you know what Jump on Demand is. I've been with T-Mobile for, I think, 2 years now. I think 2 years if I'm not mistaken. But I'm really thinking long and hard. But yeah, I'm on Jump on Demand. My lease with that ends November 13th. So, my remaining balance, excuse me, my remaining balance on my Jump on Demand is $216. So I can break that up into 9 payments and pay off the phone, or I can get me a new phone, turn in my iPhone, and that $216 would disappear. So I just might upgrade my phone to the Note 8. Want some?
No.
Huh?
Hot.
It's not hot. You want some? You want to taste a little bit? This JJ, y'all. Come on here and say hey.
Hey.
Look, say hey.
Hey.
Let's see if he like it. You don't like it? He don't like it. And yes, I ate that. Yes, I ate the same thing he just had to hit that he just spit out his mouth. He a baby. He don't have cooties. But yeah, I'm thinking.
Ba.
Go there and sit down now. Watch cartoon.
Ba.
I got Scooby-Doo on for him. Sometimes he'll sit down and watch it. Sometimes he won't. You want to watch Paw Patrol? Okay, let's see if we can find Paw Patrol. Oh shoot, but no. There you go. Now let's hope he sit down and watch Paw Patrol. Y'all, don't ask me why I stopped my camera. Don't ask me why I did it. I wasn't thinking straight. But I stopped it and I started it again. That was dumb on my part. Mm. So who watched the news last night, or this special, or whatever it was on last night that had Trump talking about North Korea? What did y'all think about what he said? Trump trying to get us in trouble. Trump gonna get us killed. I mean, Agent Orange. I mean, how can you get up in front of people and say you're gonna destroy a whole entire country, nation, look, however you wanna say it? How can you get up there and say something like that? Like you try, I mean, you trying to get us killed or something. That's what it seems like for me. I don't know what it seems like to anybody else, but anyway, I won't talk too much about him. But I want to talk about, I know exactly what I want to talk about. I want to talk about the American flag. What do the American flag mean to you? Okay. I have an uncle that served this country. And as you guessed it, he's a black man. Now, he don't talk about his time in the military. He don't talk about it with his nieces and his nephews. But I did hear some things that when he was in the military that he wasn't treated fairly. You know what I'm saying? He fought under the same flag as people that's not his color. So I thank my uncle for his service in the military for however many years he was in the military. I thank him for it. I thank my cousin that's in the military. I thank all my friends that's in the military. Okay. But to be honest with you, the American flag means different things to different people. And when you hear people say, well, you don't have the right to sit down during the national anthem, or you don't have the right to sit down during the Pledge of Allegiance. Yes, you do. You have that right. You are an American. Here in America, you have the right to do what you want to do, as long as you're not hurting anybody else. And who's ever watched my video? Hold on. We're just gonna have to agree to disagree. Okay? And the reason this subject came up is because I posted a video about a young guy, a young boy who got hurt or almost got hurt because he did not want to stand for the Pledge of Allegiance in school. And that was his right. His parents taught him to stand up for what he believed in. And if he does not want to stand for the Pledge of Allegiance, that's his right. Okay? That is his right. And it's not disrespectful. It's not disrespecting anybody. Because I'm quite sure that young man has family that has served in the military. And they have probably told him the exact same thing. But again, we can agree to disagree on this subject. Because I have family members that have served and are still serving this country. And I respect them dearly. And they fought for my right to do what I think is right. They fought for my right to have a voice in this world. And so, for people to say that you don't have the right to sit down during the national anthem or the Pledge of Allegiance, okay. That's just your opinion. That's just your opinion. But as far as the national anthem, if you go and look at the words to that song, you will see why a lot of black people do not, well, a lot of people of color and some people that's not of color don't stand up during the playing or the singing of that song. You will see why. And if you've never read the lyrics to the song, go look up the song in its entirety. And you will see why black folks have a problem with the song. You will see exactly why we have a problem with that song. Just maybe a lot of people can understand us a little bit better. You want some of this? You want some of this? Come here. My stomach hurt. You want some of this? Want some of this? Here he goes, trying to try it again. Oh. Sure. Is it good? Is it good? Y'all, I don't mean no disrespect by my posts, my videos. I don't mean no disrespect or no harm to anybody, but this is just my opinion. Okay, this is how I feel. And again, I don't mean disrespect to nobody, but we have to live in this world together as a society. We have to learn how to talk to one another and agree to disagree. We have to learn to understand each other. And until that day happens, we'll never get along. If we can't sit down and understand each other and how each other feel. But this is the end of my video. I'm gonna finish this off of camera. But since you made it, if you made it to the end of my video, I want you to put in the comment section pig foot. Pig foot, 2 different words. If you made it to the end of this video, I want you to say pig foot. So until next time, like I always say, have fun playing with your nails. If you wear nails or if you're growing your own, Have fun playing your makeup. If you wear makeup, and y'all, please live life. Because God only gave you one. Mwah.